In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to roll an options position in the Robinhood app. Rolling an option simply means you're closing your current contract and opening a new one in a single combined order. People do this to extend time, adjust the strike, or refine risk and potential payoff without fully exiting a trade. I'll walk you through the exact taps and screens so you can do it confidently. Start by opening the Robinhood app and heading to your investing tab. This is your hub for everything you currently hold. Once you're there, look for your options access point. You can tap options directly, or if you're working with a specific ticker, select the stock that has the options contract you intend to roll. Both paths take you to the same place, your open options positions for that underlying. Next, find and tap the exact options contract you want to roll. This opens the contract's details page where you'll see the expiration date, strike price, and current value. Take a moment to verify you've selected the right position, especially if you hold multiple contracts on the same stock. Check the ticker, strike, and expiry so you don't roll the wrong leg. From the contracts page, select trade, then choose roll position. This tells the app you want to close the existing contract and simultaneously open a new one. You'll now see a combined order ticket, often showing the two parts together, the closing leg and the opening leg. Now choose your new expiration date and strike price. Think about why you're rolling. If you need more time, pick a later expiration that fits your outlook. If you're adjusting risk or targeting a different price, set a strike that aligns with your plan. As you make selections, consider liquidity as well. Contracts with tighter bid-ask spreads and solid volume typically fill more reliably. Before you submit, review the debit or credit the roll will generate. A debit means you're paying to make the change, a credit means you're receiving funds. Make sure the net amount matches your expectation and that your buying power and collateral, if applicable, can support the trade. Remember, prices can move quickly, so the estimate might shift slightly by the time you place it. When everything looks right, swipe up to submit. The order will be sent as a single roll, closing the old position and opening the new one. Once it's filled, your position will reflect the updated expiration and strike you selected, and that's it, your roll is complete.